Hey there, Bob the Gadget Guy back again. Well, as my friends know, if you hang around with me, you're going to spend some money. But you're going to have a lot of fun because I'm constantly scouring the net for the best gadgets. Here's an interesting one over here, the Bushnell Trackback. Now, they make these in several flavors and models. This is the original Bushnell Trackback, and it's in a gray standard color. You can get them in different colors. What this is the world's simplest GPS unit and probably lowest priced GPS unit. I bought this factory refurb for about $24.75 on eBay. What it is a really high sensitivity GPS chipset, that's the SIRF chipset, and a digital electronic compass chip. Those together make an ultra simple GPS unit on a lanyard like this. And what does this do? Well, as soon as you turn it on, it locks onto the satellites overhead, and fairly rapidly. It runs on 2 AAA batteries. Then what you can do is memorize the position you're in by pressing one of the 2 buttons. It has up to 3 memory slots for waypointing different locations, your car, your house, things like that. So why would you use such a thing? Well, what it does is, of course, when you go to another location, turn it on and select one of the other locations you've memorized, it points in the direction on the digital compass on the top and tells you the exact distance to it. And you can just go in the direction of that and get back to wherever you were. How is that cool? Well, say you go to a huge stadium and you park your car way the heck out there. Whoop, go like that, come out, press the button, it'll walk you right to your car. You're taking the boat out to some location on the lake where you just never were before. You have that marina waypointed in there. Hit the button, has a nice little blue backlight too you can hit on there. It got dark out, boom, you find your way back. It has some, let's say you're out camping, and you want to waypoint the trailhead or your camping spot, and you're out, walking around. You go, boop, hit the button, you can walk right back. So, for a very low price, you can spend up to about $75 on these on the newest model. You can get an extremely simple GPS unit that's on a nice little lanyard and will keep you from getting lost. I just find it elegant, simple, and that's the kind of engineering I like. Let's take a look at the display. So let's get a real close-up on the Bushnell Trackback display. This is on their original model. Well, we've just got 2 buttons on the top here. One is for turning on the unit. Hold it down for 3 seconds, turns on the unit. The little satellite icon over there will start blinking until it locks on. Now it's locked on. Super sensitive chipset in there for GPS. I am in the basement of my house and it's locked onto the satellites. So you then hold it horizontally here like so, and you'll see that you have a arrow. If you keep pressing the right button over here, you're going to get into compass mode, and it's going to show you what is north. There's north over there. And what degrees I am pointing when I'm holding this, like a real compass. We push the next button and we start stepping through one of the 3 memorized waypoints that we put in. There's a little house icon over there. I don't know if we can focus on that. Yep. And then they've got a car icon and then a star. So you got 3 different ones. And you've got your battery indicator. So there we go. It tells you the direction to whatever it is you've put in there, and then you sort of just walk in that direction and follow the arrow. To my back porch, it's 8 yards in that direction, and darn if this thing isn't really accurate. It's more accurate if you start moving, and also you can sort of calibrate the compass in it by sort of wagging the whole piece in a figure 8, which is shown in the manual. So ultra simple operation, hanging around your neck with a lanyard, and darn if this thing doesn't work great. $24.50 for the refurb unit on eBay. What a deal.